What's going on, fellas? Uh-oh. Farmer's wife is running the brush hog. She's taking care of the outside of the pastures. I get ready to go knock some hay down. The first time for her driving this tractor, especially with some type of implement behind her. So she's graduated from the Kubota. What do you guys think? Keep an eye on her. She'll be fine. Yeah, we checked all the fluids in the Red Beast yesterday, so she'll be ready to go. Yeah, as you can see, things are a little wet down here at the bottom end of the pasture, but she's got it. She knows what she's doing. Thank God for four-wheel drive. Now she's back at it again today. Went to church this morning, and now she's taking out her little Kubota toy with a mini brush hog. A lot smaller than what she was using yesterday. The big New Holland. I'm using this one today. Getting things ready to go. Got to pull the wrapper out of here and get that out of the way so I can get to the baler. And all the hay I mowed yesterday will hopefully be dry. As long as the weather stays like this. 70 degrees, sunshine, nice breeze. We'll be rolling hay by Thursday.